What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J. I'm back here with another video. As I told you guys, I was going to be taking a road trip down here to Smyrna, Delaware to visit HHP tuners and high horsepower performance, and these guys are one of the top Hemi tuners in the country. I'm really excited about this. Today I'm going to be unlocking my PCM, and which will allow me to get tuned, and I made a deal with the guy who lives locally around the area. He was giving me his unpaired Trinity diablosport tuner handheld, and basically after today I'll have my PCM unlocked and I will be on 93 tune. So I'm excited as hell to see what kind of power that adds. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going drag racing again at night. I should be hopefully in the 10s. That's my goal. This is kind of like my pre-stage, and then stage 1 sometime maybe next week I'll be installing the injectors, the pulley and whatnot, and then I'll be emailing these guys back for another tune based on the parts that I have. So that'll be like my stage 1. I can't wait, guys. You know, my goal is really to be in the 9s. I think that's like a realistic goal for me, and obviously I'm going to do it in stages. I want to perfect learning the power at every stage. I think I pretty much got launching the Hellcat pretty much stock with, you know, with catback and intake down to a science. I was consistently throwing 11 ones. And when you look up the numbers for Hellcats, it's kind of consistent with what people say on the forums and whatnot. So I think I was doing a good job. It's just, I think with my current mods, you know, or my current wheels, I wasn't able to get into the 10s, but you know, hopefully I will be able to this time around with the Skinnies up front and the 93 tune. Today I'm out here in front of HHP tuners all the way in Smyrna, Delaware. I just had a conversation with Josh Wright. You might have seen him on all the videos on the HHP tuners website, and he's a really cool guy. We were just shooting the breeze for like 45 minutes. He's like educating me on, you know, the next steps and what's safe and what's quality and what's not, and I really appreciate him. He's really down to earth. Like he's actually going to help me pair up my diablosport Trinity and load that 93 can tune. So I'm excited. All right, guys, I'm here with Josh from HHP. We're about to load this can tune into my car. I'm so excited. I mean, hopefully I get into the 10s. You damn right I'm getting into the 10s this time around. I tried two nights in a row, but we're gonna get it this time. So here we go. So this is their, wow, look at all the Hemis in here when they talk about Hemi specialists. Here's my baby. They already unlocked my PCM like literally after 30 minutes. Hello, sir. You found that?
Sitting right there.
I probably left it. Fuck, man. Yeah, that is mine. Look, guys, I left this right in the hood like an idiot. So yeah.
Oh, Eric said he just found it back. Oh, that's the one? That's the one.
So yeah, my PCM is unlocked. We're ready to tune. Josh is gonna help me. All right, so these fine gentlemen are doing the bypass cable for me to be able to connect the diablosport tuning handheld. As you can see, they basically got to go one side to the other, and I think it's below the glove box, if I'm not mistaken. All right, guys, it's up. The tuner's updated. Gonna peel the plastic. Oh yeah, babe. Alrighty, guys. So they basically did the wiring setup for my diablosport tuning handheld. And here we go. We're gonna load this canned 93 tune. Should be, I mean, I asked my boy Josh over here. He said that it's nothing crazy, but you should notice a little bit power increase. But hey, dude, I'll take anything at this point. Skip updates, right? Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, tuning vehicle. This is pretty easy. Diablo tune. Performance trans tune. So once I get all the other parts installed, I'm gonna hit up Josh again, and then we're gonna talk about doing a custom email to him. Because going back down here, 2.5 hour drive is a little hard for me. But yeah, guys, I'm excited.
Like all my food.
Yeah, man, these guys at HHP are the nicest guys ever. We're just shooting the breeze the whole time. They're educating me on all this shit. And they noticed I had my diff brace in the trunk. They're like, "Hey, you want to throw that on?" Like, what gentlemen, man? What service, man? I highly recommend them for anyone looking to do work to their Hemis, guys. These guys are the truth here.
The next day.
What's up, YouTube? It's Hellcat J. I'm back here at Island Dragstrip out here in Great Meadows, New Jersey. So, the time has finally come for me to get into the 10s, God willing. So, like I said, so far mods we've done the 93 tune, 180 thermostat, and the front Skinnies. These are all new mods. Oh, and the diff brace in the back. So 4 new mods since I've been here the last time. The last time I came, my best run was an 11.132. So I'm really hoping that I can get into the 10.9s today. I'm pretty sure I can with all these things going on in my car. So wish me luck, guys. I'm really going for it, so wish me luck.